ahead at 6:03. We're following developing news out of the Middle East. The U.S. military says it's going to begin a blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. That's expected to happen in less than 5 hours. This is coming as talks between the U.S. and Iran broke down yesterday. Vice President J.D. Vance led those negotiations in Pakistan. Officials had more than 20 hours of face-to-face talks. One of the major sticking points is that the U.S. wanted Iran to end its nuclear ambitions once and for all.
The simple fact is that we need to see an affirmative commitment that they will not seek a nuclear weapon, and they will not seek the tools that would enable them to quickly achieve a nuclear weapon.
Now, as those talks collapsed, the price for a barrel of oil tops $100 once again.
So what does this newly announced blockade mean when it comes to our gas prices? We want to get right out to Fox 61's Aaron Coogan, who is live in Hartford this morning with what we can expect in the days ahead. Good morning, Aaron.
Yeah, good morning. Well, a stark contrast from hopes last week that a temporary ceasefire would help stabilize the rising price of oil and the repercussions from that impending blockade already being felt around the globe. Because the bottom line is, as delays in the Strait of Hormuz persist, the price of gas and the volatility of the global oil market continues. According to the AP, early market trading after the blockade announcement showed U.S. crude oil prices increasing another 8%, raising the cost to just over $104 a barrel. Brent crude oil, or the international standard, also saw a rise of about 7%, raising the price to about $102. That's compared to just over $70 a barrel before the war at the turn of the year. But as for what you can expect filling up the tank this morning, honestly, you won't see a dramatic change today. AAA noting the average price of gas in Connecticut just under $4.09. That's compared to a flat $4.09 yesterday and $3.52 a month ago today.
Yeah, it's costing a lot more. Like $20 more to fill up now. Yeah, if it goes up any more, then I don't know what else I'm gonna do. But yeah,
I think it's just going to be temporary. You know what I mean? I'll bite the bullet and pay what I got to pay if it means that this world is going to be a little bit safer.
Now, this isn't out of the ordinary, as we've seen with the rising prices over the past several weeks. The impact to the consumer is a little bit delayed, but that isn't to say that if the fighting in the Middle East continues, that we're not going to see prices continue to skyrocket. Guys?
Aaron, thanks. As you said, it's not out of the ordinary, but still difficult to take as the prices go up.